Hello, I'm Melissa Rose. I'm the executive sous chef here at the Hyatt Regency McCormick Place. I've been with Hyatt now for about 10 years. At this property, because we have such a sort of unique and diverse clientele, we're always looking for new and different ways to sort of stay in front and be ahead of the curveball as far as how we can be faster and better and stronger all the time. So with our last renovation about a year and a half ago, we started just looking into all kinds of different techniques for how we can be faster, how we can improve food quality while still improving our customers' experience and not taking away from the quality of the food that we're producing, but getting it out a lot faster because we have such a limited amount of time here to get food out for show breaks with the conventions. And when we discovered CVap, that really changed the game for us. The combination of the cooking technology with CVap and just traditional cooking techniques really gave us the ability to get food out extremely fast while not just keeping the same quality but actually improving it. What I found most unique and most exciting about CVaps are the versatility of the box themselves. You know, an oven does one job, a steamer does one job, a flat top does one job, but a CVap can wear so many hats and it's such a diverse piece of equipment. You can use it basically to have a similar result to like an immersion circulator if you want to sous vide something. It can work just like an alto sham if you want to do like a moist roast. It can dry cook. And its versatility has been something that continues to surprise me because we get so many different applications out of it. The major change for us has been using the CVap technology as a staging box, because what we actually do for service is we stage a lot of our food in the box. So we'll hold burgers, for example, at 135 degrees. And from there, you can take a perfectly rare burger out of that box, and I can hit a medium rare burger in under 2 minutes. And I joke around with people, it actually takes longer to toast the bun sometimes than it does to finish the burger, because you just get a hard sear on both sides, and you have a perfectly medium rare burger in under 2 minutes. You can get to well done in under 5 minutes, actually, which is really unheard of for a fast, well-prepared burger. Same thing with our chicken breast, our chicken wings. We'll hold that in a separate staging box. And the moisture content in the chicken is remarkable. When you traditionally hold food in a steam table, you have the heat on the edges, and then obviously you have to keep rotating because it just never stays evenly hot throughout. And with the CVap, all of that product in that box is the same temperature throughout. So we've really been able to provide consistent products to our customers really, really quickly. I think you could use CVap just about anywhere. I think you could use it in a small bar. I think you can use it in a huge hotel. You know, for us, we have a lot of different boxes, so that gives us the capability for doing multiple things at once. But if you're just a small bar or a small restaurant, to have a staging box on your line to get something like a chicken breast out in under 2 minutes, hot and fresh, and to get a burger out. You know, we use it for what we call like our menu stars. So the stuff that we're seeing constantly ordered on the menu, so that the stuff that's not ordered as frequently, we have the time to sort of prepare that while the excess stuff is coming out super quickly. So to be a small shop like that and to be able to get tickets out as fast as we can, I'm sure that would help anybody. And you know, when we started the process, I remember we were looking for defensive cooking techniques. We wanted to be able to control a lot of the prep. And when you look at just having a cook put a tray of chicken in the oven, it sounds simple enough, but there's a lot of things that could go wrong there. It could be overcooked, it could be undercooked, the oven fan could be on, it could be off. There's things that affect the quality. But with CVap, you have the button that you have, the channel that you program for chicken, they put it in, they turn into that channel, and you have a perfect, consistent product every time. So anybody that is looking to have control in their kitchen and have a consistent product, this would work for them. That's also probably one of my favorite things about it, because we can we can control so much the end result. You know, the consistency that comes out of it is not something that you can get from another piece of equipment. Also, I'll mention one of my favorite parts about working with CVap was getting to meet Chef Barry and the team down in Louisville. Their guidance and their knowledge and their passion for what they do was probably the most exciting part about our renovation. They gave us such great direction and they were so welcoming to us. We went down and learned about the equipment from them. They came and helped us, and with their guidance we've gotten such a clean and consistent product, and that we constantly recommend to other Hyatts in the company, and we couldn't be more thrilled with our results.